How to fix Instagram song currently unavailable. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will learn how we can fix if Instagram song says currently unavailable, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now what happens is that when you open up Instagram, let's say you're trying to add a story, you just select allow option, just select allow, and then you select a random photo here. You want to add some songs by tapping on it, you select the music option, but then the music that you search simply states Instagram songs currently unavailable. Now when Instagram says that the song is currently unavailable, it simply means that the song is not available on Instagram, and you have to understand this because Instagram is not a library of music. It is only giving you some of the options that they have licensed, so they don't have rights to all of the music. As long as Instagram have the rights and the license to use this music, only then they can give the music to you. Otherwise they will not be able to provide those songs for you. So it simply means that those songs are not available in Instagram itself. So in that case you just have to make use with the alternative songs. There are many videos out there telling you to update the app, clear cache data. No, that is not related to this, because when it says song unavailable, it simply means Instagram doesn't have that. However, there's one simple thing and suggestion that I can give you. If you have a business account, try switching to personal. If you have a personal account, try switching to professional or business account. Why I'm telling you this is because your personal account has many restrictions and your business account also has many restrictions. When you're using a business account, Instagram might only give you some of the professional songs as a suggestion, and when you're only using personal account, Instagram might only give you those similar songs as a suggestion. So what you might want to try is go to account and then just go to switch to professional account if you have personal. If you have personal, try to switch to professional, or vice versa. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve a problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.